Ananya. I am one of the very lucky winners for the Club Vistara Escapades at Retail Therapy, and I am so excited to meet Anhad. We're two girls, we're going shopping today. I don't think there's anything more exciting than that.
We're going shopping! Super excited. This is Ananya, like you all know.
This is Anhad.
We're super excited to be the winners of Club Vistara Retail Therapy Escapades, and honestly, we can't wait
And
to
she has to
spend
show
all
me
that
how to
money.
shop. We have reached. Cool.
Wow. Oh, that's lovely. This is for us.
Oh, look.
Cool.
They're all ready for us.
Should we open them? Oh, lovely.
My mom's gonna make me read this for sure.
Thank you, guys.
I have reached my room. Now I have to go finish getting ready, put on my Jaipur outfit, put a little vanity set up here also. We're ready to shop. Are you ready?
Oh my God, totally ready.
I have no idea where we're going though.
We are apparently going to a very famous jewelry shop, and if I know Jaipur well, I can guess, but we just have to find out.
I stopped listening at jewelry.
Wow, this is so cool.
Imagine wearing these.
Stunning. Oh wow.
How exciting is this, Anand? How exciting is this?
Like a dream come true.
It's like
honestly.
We've been transported. Which century is the correct one? 18,
I don't
17,
even know.
19?
At
all
this
of them.
point, it's
all of
just
them. Just a dream
fantasy
come
land.
true.
Absolutely.
So gorgeous. We're feeling like princesses. So we just got done with our first destination, which was the Amrapali Museum.
It was fabulous. I mean, I don't have words to express how amazing
She
it
had a
was.
lot of words during. Suddenly she's out of words. But yeah, we're all just a little bit speechless. It was so beautiful.
We've built up an appetite. We just want to start shopping.
Well, this is not a museum. Here I can touch things, right?
Oh, it's super tight. Look at that.
So pretty.
Really want to know the price of this ring. Just
Yeah, the price.
this one on the one on the second.
We just got married to each other. The math is being worked out and we have to find out whether I'm under budget or not.
All with this 54,000.
54,000.
Everything.
Very beautiful.
I'm feeling like a spoiled princess. Club Vistara is making every girl's dreams come true.
I have shortlisted a beautiful long necklace as a gift for my mum, I think, and then a beautiful choker for myself, some balis for my cousin, and a pair of pajade for myself as well. I can't even believe that this is possible, and this was possible because of Club Vistara. It's been a fabulous, fabulous experience just coming here and even being able to, given the choice to choose whatever you want and do whatever and get whatever you want and you like, and it's only something that a girl can dream of.
It's time to check out now. Bring out the plastic.
So I'll be paying with my Access Club Vistara card. These cards are fabulous and I highly recommend getting them because the benefits, they're amazing. So we just shopped our hearts and souls out at Amrapali in Jaipur, all thanks to Club Vistara and their co-brand Access card
coming in clutch.
Coming in clutch,
It
absolutely.
was such an amazing experience. The fact that, we got to see so many things, we had so much help, and, we had
free hand to choose whatever we wanted.
and Club Vistara support as well as the co-branded card for all the shopping. And with the points that I collect from this, I can get an upgrade or an award flight. Everything was just, it came together so easily, and we get to earn points. We get to earn
It was
points.
fabulous. It was so good. I can't recommend it enough.
Yeah, you can't. It's a dream come.
Dream come true, honestly. So if there's one place I highly recommend for you to come when you visit Jaipur is Neela House.
It's so peaceful, it's so beautiful. I'm learning so much, and I'm about to learn a little bit more because we have a workshop. So far, the way this escapade for retail therapy is going, I am very, very excited. We're going to be doing the eco-printing workshop. We'll be using real spider release and making a scarf. Yeah. Yep. We're going to see the results of Anhad's artwork.
Also like a organic food. I pretty much bought the entire children's section for my little girl.
I think blue is more my color.
So we just finished shopping at Neela House, and we also did a beautiful eco-printing workshop which was fabulous. And and we're just so grateful for having this opportunity to be here with Club Vistara. So as you
And
can
of course,
see,
the
we
retail
just-
therapy escapades
we
continue.
totally maxed out the retail therapy part of the escapade. And thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome, Ananya and Anhad.
Thank you. Yes.
Welcome to my city. This is where this is how it all began, from jewelry. It was conceptualized about 7-8 years back when I was in college. It was all about Dora jewelry back then. It was always about getting something Rajasthani on board with something more eclectic and modernizing that idea.
Just look at that, guys. This was my Club Vistara retail therapy escapade today, and honestly, I have never felt this good.
I am so tired, but so grateful to Club Vistara and Club Vistara Escapade, especially retail therapy. I mean, look at me.
Thank you, guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Good morning. As you can see, I'm going back with way more than I brought.
650 का है, मैं 550 का दूंगा।
एक ये भी दे दीजिए।
That white is really nice. आप साड़ी दे दें जिस पे बॉर्डर शॉर्डर नहीं हो, प्लेन हो।
$10,000 कर दिया ना मेरे लिए। I've gotten 2 sarees. I have gotten 2 dupattas, 3 dupattas, because Bhaiya insisted that they'll be really nice. And I got 2 shirts for my dad. And yeah, I think that's it.
कितना हो गया टोटल? आपका कितना?
अरे मेरे को स्ट्रेस हो रहा है।
It's finally over and we're exhausted to another level, but it's just the most happy, satisfied.
Look at us.
Yeah, like it's such a good feeling right now because I just feel that we've genuinely treated ourselves to something which I think we truly deserve. And I just feel so grateful.
Yeah, this has been beyond.
Beyond,
We're
actually.
gonna miss not having to pay at the end of our shopping.
I think so. I
a
even
lot.
went over budget.
Next time we'll walk into the mall and we'll just be like, Club Vistara.
Club Vistara. We want
But
you.
we miss it. It was such an amazing experience. We've said this enough times. It was a dream
I
come
know,
true.
it was a dream come true.
And you know, just being here with Club Vistara, being a part of this retail therapy escapade, it was. We got so lucky. We got so
lucked out.
lucky, and we are so grateful. And the fact that we could pay with our
Access cards, yeah. And thank you guys. Thank you so
guys.
much.
Thank you.